Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools and permissions. You need admin rights and a blank USB or DVD. Once done, open Control Panel, choose Recovery, then create a recovery drive and check backup system files so Windows copies the needed files. Make sure the target media is plugged in, select it, and let the wizard build the repair image. This step is critical because it captures your system state and recovery tools, enabling offline repairs later without reinstalling from scratch. You now boot from the repair media to access the recovery environment. Reboot and use your motherboard's boot menu, or change BIOS/UEFI boot order so the USB or DVD starts first. Once the recovery screen appears, choose Troubleshoot and Advanced options to see Startup Repair and Command Prompt. Use Startup Repair for automatic fixes. If you need control, open Command Prompt to run chkdsk, sfc/scano, and bootrec/fixember or /fixboot. These commands repair file system damage and restore missing boot components. After repairs complete, remove the USB or DVD and restart. Make sure Windows boots normally. If it does not, return to the recovery environment and try System Restore to revert to a known good point, or rerun the repair commands in Command Prompt. If problems persist, capture error codes and messages because they guide the next step. Backup important data, then consider reset this PC, keeping files, or a clean install. One key tip: if disk errors recur, test the drive health with smart tools before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.